So today the children are out of school. It is digital learning day. So of course I had to get up and make these little baby kids some breakfast. Kamaria is not here today. She went with her grandmother for the weekend. So I'm just cooking for me, Kaden, and Chloe. So just watch as I prepare some eggs, some bacon, and some waffles. And for a little treat, I made them some pumpkin cinnamon rolls. So here we go. Let's get started. And like I said, it's digital learning day. So look at my son over here doing his work like a good boy. Okay, boy, I see you. Good job. Oh, and look at my Cocaline over here sound asleep. She looks so sweet. Oh. But let's get this oven started so I could pop these pumpkin cinnamon rolls in the oven while everything is cooking. Oh, look who woke up. Good morning. Are you okay? Someone doesn't want to be seen today. No, you guys, it's not the weekend. You guys have digital learning. Tomorrow. That's why you're out of school. Tomorrow is the weekend. So you gotta work today? Yes, I have work today. I swear these kids gotta know my schedule. I told them every day they go to school, I have to go to work. So they think because they got digital learning and they don't have to go to school that mommy doesn't have to go to work. Unfortunately, it don't work like that. Let's get this pan buttered for these cinnamon rolls. Oh, probably did that a little bit too hard. Biscuits. Don't know my own strength, I guess. Now, I don't know about y'all, but I seen this TikTok video and how they be adding like extra heavy whipping cream or like milk to their cinnamon rolls. So I'm gonna add a little bit of milk to mine. I like to add milk because it just makes the cinnamon rolls bigger and like more fluffy and soft. And the kids like it too, so why not? So that's what I'm doing here, just pouring a little bit in there. Not too much because you don't want them to be soggy. So probably just like, probably like 3 or 4 tablespoons. Shake it up, make sure it's all even. Forgot to take them pans out before I turned the oven on, but it's okay. Ooh, it got a little hot up in here. Mama had to take that house coat off, child. Also, too, I'm making some Eggo waffles. And I actually like to butter them and cook them in a skillet instead of putting them in a toaster. It just gives it a different taste. I don't know. But I like to cook my Eggo waffles in the skillet with a little bit of butter. Just fry them up golden brown a little bit to that golden brown. And bon appetit.
13 to 14 billion years old. And the Hubble telescope has actually captured things like images of the galaxy at different stages of its growth. I mean, the Hubble telescope has seen different things in different universes growing.
Y'all see this look? Watch. Watch me make this look.
Can I have some cereal?
I'm cooking.
Seriously.
Now she knows she see me slaving over this stove trying to make them a hot breakfast, and she come ask me for some cereal. Life of a mom. Y'all, then she got the nerve to have attitude. Are you upset because I'm making breakfast? Are you upset because I'm making breakfast? Alright, so I got all the waffles done. Now it's time to fry up this bacon. Yes. We don't eat pork, so we only eat turkey bacon. Sometimes my kids be picky eaters, so I'm just was trying to figure out how many pieces of bacon to make. Not really picky eaters, but I don't know. Sometimes they be hungry, sometimes they don't. So. Look at that bacon. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. Bacon is pretty much done. Now it is time to whip up us some eggs. So I just cracked my eggs and put them directly in the skillet. I'm just trying to save dishes. So the only thing I put in my eggs is just a little bit of seasoning salt and some pepper. Since it's only us three, I only made 4 eggs. Sometimes I don't even put anything in there. I just stir them up, scramble them, eat them. So I'm just scrambling them up in the pan. Man, it looks like I'm holding that dang on skillet tight as I don't know what. So it's time to get some cheese, see what we got in here. I don't think I have any like square cheese, so we're gonna have to do some shredded mozzarella today. They won't know the difference. Sprinkle a little bit in there. Bag just about empty, so I might as well just pour the whole thing in there. Ooh, look at them cinnamon rolls. See how big they get when you add just a little bit of milk? Look at that. They're so fluffy and soft. Ooh, they almost done. I don't know what the milk does, but it just makes them double in size. Eggs are just about done. Turn that stove off. And breakfast is about to be done. Just gotta make these plates. Look at that. Quick little breakfast. My plate. Kaden and Chloe's plate. No matter what, Kaden is gonna find a way to make him a sandwich. He made a sandwich out of bacon. And look at Chloe.
That's nasty.
It's actually good.
You can't just eat it normal.
Nah, he can't eat it normal, Chloe. Deep down, she knows she want to do it too. She's so funny. So, I think it turned out pretty good. His finger looking good. He licking his fingers. You want a napkin?
Thank you.
It is time for me to start work soon. Thank you for watching.